Hi guys, welcome back to Heritage Mama YouTube channel, and today we'll be making cake, baked cake, pancake and also toast cake. So let's go to our ingredients now. We'll be using our all-purpose flour. We'll be needing some sugar, 1 cup of sugar. We'll be needing milk, full cream milk. We'll be needing baking powder. We'll be also needing mixed flavor powder. To make it flavorful, we'll be needing some eggs depending on the quantity of cake you want to bake. And also I forgot to mention that we'll be needing salt and also groundnut oil. So yeah, I'm pouring in my egg into the mixer, which is my processor actually. I'm pouring in the 1 cup of sugar into the mixture, then my groundnut oil 1 cup also. It's not really up to 1 cup, and I'm mixing it together. Now I'm pouring in my milk flavor powder, which I've turned to liquid. I'm pouring it into the mixture, and then I'll pour in my full cream milk, which I've also turned to liquid. Yes, I'm pouring it in. Then I want to mix them together with my processor, and now it's time to sieve my flour just to take away dirt in case there is. Then I'm preparing my pot here, which I put in some salt. Yes, this is my baking powder, though I finally used everything, but I didn't show it again. Then that's salt. I'm trying to sieve that in also. Then I'm prepping my baking pan with some flour. I'm coating it with flour. Yes, then this is my batter. I've mixed in the flour. So this is it. I'm pouring it into the baking pan, then off to the stove top. And thereafter I was checking it if it is done after 30 minutes. Then I saw that it still came out moist. Then I still have to allow it to cook for a while, to bake, sorry. Then this is the finished product. Yes, the cake is done. Then I'm trying to bring it out. You can see that it easily came out because I prepped the baking pan with some flour. Yes, that's it, guys. This is just my homemade cake for myself and my family, and this was the day to my birthday. This was June 12th actually. So this is it. It came out just like this, and the whitest part outside the cake is because of the flour I put it. So that is it. It's so fluffy. Just for myself and my family. I'm not a baker. I'm just doing this for my family and also to celebrate my birthday. But I actually do not want to get cake. I just want something homemade for myself and my family. And that is it. It's so nice. Yes. My children love it. I love it too. Sometimes I just want to make something for myself and my family. I just wanted to make it myself. And I did it. Now up to the next. With the same batter, I want to make a toast cake with my toaster. Don't mind my toaster. I'm prepping it with some groundnut oil so that it won't get sticky. Then the same batter, I'm putting it in there gradually. This you can snack on it. I so much love this because I can easily take it out. I snack on it. My toddler likes it so well, so snack on it. So yummy. So yummy. I've done it before now. I just feel like let me make the same batter to make my cake and also to make this also. Yes, I have to leave it to toast for a while. You can see that. So nice. Then I'm trying to turn it around. You might not really need to turn it because I think that after turning it I saw it looking messy or somehow, but you might necessarily not turn it. Then I'm making the next one now. So that is the first batch. Yeah, and that is it. You can snack on it, just take a drink or tea or whatever. It's so nice. I so much love this one. It's very fast, faster than baking. Toast your cake and so nice. If you have a visitor, you can just quickly make this in no time. Your visitor will love it. On to the next now, making pancakes. Yeah, I've prepped my non-stick pan already. It was hot a bit. Then I was already tired at this point. So I was just trying to just fill it in. But normal me, I'll just make only two. And this pan is not really too big. The non-stick pan not really too big. Then just trying to make it fast because I was already tired by this time. Then when it make bubbles a little, you flip it over to the next side to cook it up. Everything is cake, right? You say baked cake, toast cake, pancake, cake. At the end of it, the same batter. I just feel like let me make it all once today, and I did it. This was June 12th, and I'm just putting it out at the ending of July. You see, yeah, I have some accident to see those burnt offering. So I was making another batch, and you can see that I made two here. This is actually how I used to make it. And I used to make it in small shapes because of my toddler, so I wanted to cut it. And that is the beautiful pancake I have there. So beautiful and fluffy. I really enjoyed it. It was so stressful that day, but I enjoyed it. And this is the three things I was able to make from the same batter: my toast cake, my baked cake, and my pancake. You can try this for your family. It's really nice. So nice. So nice. I really enjoy it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I talk about motherhood, marriage, and relationship. Bye. See you later. Thank you.